Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a power hour. I've got a few things on my list that need to get done, so let's get started. So I'm going to start by tidying up in the kitchen just a little bit, and then I'm going to move into my tiny laundry room and try to get that cleaned up. I've got my son's costume, which was an inflatable dinosaur that did not inflate. I've got to pack that up and return it. We ordered it off of Amazon, so I've got to get that shipped back to them. I'm also going to start a load of towels that I picked up from upstairs when I was tidying up there earlier today. So I'm going to put that in the wash and then move on. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine. I keep this little container next to the laundry room. It has little screwdrivers and a bunch of batteries in it. I just keep it in there for easy access. It keeps it organized, and every time I need a screwdriver, I know exactly where to go. So I would recommend this if you are like me and you have little screwdrivers and you don't quite know where to put them. Here I'm just going to be folding this load of laundry that I had washed earlier in the day. I'm just going to get them folded up and put away. And yes, I am one of those moms that sniffs the laundry first to make sure it smells fresh and that it's fully clean. I put on the Hallmark channel. They're playing Christmas movies already, so I love watching this channel. It really just, I don't know, it just really brightens my mood, and so that's what I have on the TV right now. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. Never did I give in, just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. And here I'm going to wipe down the mirrors and the doors. I had been eyeing them for the past few days and knew that I needed to get them done. I'm going to be using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I love this stuff. It does not streak on me and it smells great. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you
here I'm going to be wiping down this door. It's full of fingerprints, and I'm going to be using the same method glass cleaner.
Many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss.
Now that all my surfaces are clean, I'm going to be scrubbing out the kitchen sink using the Barkeeper's powder and some dish soap. I'm using the Miss Myers in the pumpkin scent. I love it. It smells so good. And I will be washing this out and rinsing it really well with hot water.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
To clean off our dining table and the chairs, I'm going to be using the Miss Myers Surface Cleaner Spray in apple cider.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
I'll be using the steam mop that I have. It's from Shark. And along with the steam mop, I'm going to be using the Method floor cleaner in almond scent.
Right, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna
Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. I can try if you let me. With our lives, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts.
Now that my floors are clean, my last item to check off my list is to vacuum the family room. If you watched my last video, I told you how much I love vacuuming and the vacuum lines, so that's what I'm going to be doing here.
You close the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say.
And this is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that I'm able to provide you with some cleaning motivation. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and becoming a part of my YouTube channel. And also, if you like these kinds of videos, then please click the like button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.
To make it okay to do.